How to log in into your Binance account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Binance account on your mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to make sure is that you have the Binance app. If you do not have it, you can simply download it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you've downloaded the app, simply open it up. Now this is the interface you will face after you open your Binance app. And you can see a sign up and login option on the top. If you do not have an account, tap on sign up to create an account. After you've created an account, you can tap on login to log in into your account. So after you tap on login, you will have different options to log in into your account. The first is by your phone number or email number, and the others are using your Google account, your Apple account, or your Telegram. So just simply go through any one of these. If you want to log in using your Google, tap on continue with Google. If you simply want to log in using your phone number, type in your phone number on the top, tap on next and type in your password and log in. Now after you log in using one of those methods, you will get logged into your account and this should be the interface you face. And yeah, that is basically how you do it guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.